Congratulations on your purchase of bare root roses from Trelaw Roses. Today we'll show you what to do when your roses arrive. When you receive your roses, they will be all bundled together in one cardboard box. It is important to attend to your roses on the day of arrival. Even though they can travel for quite a while in the packaging, they will always prefer to be refreshed when they get to you. For best results, we recommend following these simple steps. Before unwrapping the roses, have a bucket of plain water ready. Fill the bucket to about halfway. Do not add anything to the water. It must be plain, fresh water. It is important not to let the roots dry out at any stage. First, open the box. If they are in a vertical box like this one, open from the heavy end and slip the bundle out. In the box, you should have the bundled roses, a separate Ziploc bag that contains the invoice, planting guide and colour tags. The roses will have peat moss and black plastic wrapped around their roots to keep them moist. Larger orders may have wet newspaper instead, but the roses will still be damp. If there is black plastic around the roots, cut the string around it and remove the plastic. Give the bundle a shake to remove the peat moss. This peat moss can be put aside for use in your compost bin or garden. It is chemical free. Once you have the roses unwrapped, separate the bundle. Be careful to only cut the outer strings. If you have multiples of one variety, the plants of that variety will be bundled together, but may have only one tag. Therefore, some of the roses in the bundle will not be tagged. We recommend keeping the bundled varieties together until the time of planting. Once your varieties are separated, check the roses to ensure you have received everything listed on the invoice. This is also the time to check that no damage has occurred during transit. Look for any broken or wrinkled canes. It is important to note that not all roses have green canes. Some have red, purple and even brown canes. Also, the size and number of canes upon arrival does not determine the quality of the roses. Varieties come in all shapes and sizes. If you have any concerns, please take a photo of the plant in question and contact our office within 24 hours of delivery or the next working day. But in the meantime, keep the roses in the water. Next, place your roses into the bucket of water. Ensure all the roots are fully submerged. Top up the bucket if you need. Leave the plants in the bucket of water for about 24 to 48 hours. Only remove them when planting. They can stay there till the weekend without concern, but keep an eye on the water level to make sure the roots are covered. You do not want the roots becoming dry at any stage. Store the bucket of roses in a cool, dark location, such as the laundry or garage. While the roses are having a drink, read the planting guide that came in the box, or jump online trelawroses.com.au to watch our planting demonstration. Happy gardening!